Hello there Algarve lovers, welcome to our channel, and this afternoon I'm in the Old Town Albufeira. I'm just going to do a walking talking tour of Albufeira, see what it's like in October, starting off overlooking Pescadores Beach. So come and join us guys. So there's a view of the beach guys. It's almost 5 o'clock. I'm hoping to walk to the other side of the Old Town, to where the escalators are, right where Divini is on top, and hopefully I'll catch the sunset. It's supposed to be 5:30, it's about 5 o'clock now, so let's hope we time it well. And straight away got a little bit of live entertainment. He was just playing Oasis before as I walked past. So while I'm walking around, I will point out some places of interest. Restaurants to eat in, bars to drink in. Now we're just coming up to a couple of restaurants that we've already done vlogs on. So if you'd like to see what it's like inside, check our channels out guys. Check the playlist. So the first one we've got is Grill 54 or Bar 54. Traditional Portuguese restaurant with stunning sea views. And then right next to it, you've got the Beach Basket, pretty similar to Bar 54, with similar beach views. And here you've got Sal Rosa, it's a cocktail bar, and that also has stunning sea views. So along the left here, another nice restaurant, if you've never tried it, is this one on the right, Casa da Fonte. Another typical Portuguese restaurant, serving lovely fish and seafood. I think it's quite busy actually inside now. There's a few people in, a little bit in between lunchtime and tea time. Got terrazzo there. I've been recommended that. I've never got around to going there. This one on the corner, Italians, Alfredo, is one of the best Italians in the Old Town. Food is absolutely amazing. Prices are good. We'll pop through the tunnel. Have a close look on the beach. You've got the Solimar Hotel, adult only hotel. Every room's got a sea view. Well, the lights are just coming on now in the tunnel. Thought you had some music then. Got Restaurant Esplanade there overlooking the beach, which is really nice. It's been quite a nice day today, and I thought I'd get this one in. We've got the next 3 or 4 days We've got rain penciled in. So I thought I'd take advantage of the weather while I'm in Albufeira. I'll pop back through the tunnel. So actually we've just been in a new town and had lunch at a sushi restaurant, and this one up here, the Oishi, is its sister restaurant. I can actually say the food was amazing. Still quite busy, back end of October. They've got one more busy night on the 31st. They celebrate Halloween, big style over here. You've got the side there of Alfredo's, or the front of Alfredo's. Check it out if you're in the area, guys, if you like Italian food. If you do a left there, and you first right, there's three lovely little restaurants. One's called, I'll tell you what, I'll take you down there now. One's called The Star. It may not be open, I know they close sort of like back end of October, November. It is open, but it's a little bit early for dinner. Lovely restaurant. It's more upmarket. It's not one you want to rush in and out of. It's more like a celebratory place. Got the tapas bar here. I think maybe, see what time it's open. 6 o'clock it opens, yeah. That's a really nice place. And right at the end, we've got Indian Nights. A really nice Indian restaurant. Pop back down to the main street. You okay? I know, you okay? I'm fine, thank you. Good?
Yes, my
How's
friend.
it going?
Hello again.
I'm good, yeah, you?
Beautiful place.
Yeah, I know. Let me see, come on, let's check some of your prices out, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what do you recommend?
I recommend it. What do you like? Good steak or fresh fish, seafood?
Fresh fish, yeah?
Fish, filleted, not bones.
No?
The best fish is a codfish, special the house, skewer, octopus in the oven.
Yep, very nice.
Beautiful starters here. We have like
Tuna tartar, I've had that, and the beef carpaccio.
carpaccio.
That's amazing, that,
Yes,
isn't it?
it's
Amazing.
very good.
Very nice,
And,
okay.
Yes, and
Oh, the lamb shank? $24.95, yeah, that's okay.
yeah, but it's good price
Yeah,
because
yeah.
this is very soft.
Yeah, I know.
It's
I know.
quality steak and very good
Fillet steak on the stone, yeah.
in the stone. The Portuguese steak is a special sauce and chateaubriand.
Which is
For two
for
people.
two people. Well, why is it like
price, but it's very
is it
very,
like a tomahawk, that is it, or
like
yeah,
tomahawk,
yeah?
very tasty.
Okay, and you have people in at the moment, yeah? You're quite
sir.
busy.
Yes.
Okay.
And we have a look here. More special.
Oh, specials of the day. Calamari, paella.
Paella, fish and
$16.95,
chips.
that's good price.
Yes, good price.
Okay.
Burger, homemade.
Yeah.
And we do more extra menu. Have a look here, sir.
We did all the pastas.
Pasta and pizza homemade.
Right.
And we have more gluten-free options.
Oh, that's
It's
good. That
very
yeah.
important.
A lot of people ask for gluten-free food. Yeah.
Many people, yeah. And more.
You have a children's menu. Okay. That's good to know with the gluten-free, because we get lots of requests for gluten-free food.
Many people come back because we have really gluten-free.
Okay. Can I ask you a question? Are you closing in the winter, or are you open all the way through?
This year we close and December.
Yeah.
Open 26th of December
Yeah.
after Christmas.
Yeah.
Open New Year. And after January, 5 January we close
But
again.
okay, no
Yes.
problem. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. We'll see you soon. Okay.
Thank you, my
Cheers.
friend. So I don't remember you work for England company or Scottish?
England, England.
Because I have here one Scottish man.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know him. Scotsman in Tenerife, yeah?
Yes.
That's him, yeah.
Yeah.
I know.
Him is.
He does similar things to me, yeah?
Him
But
do-
we are based here in the Algarve.
Yes.
He goes all over,
Yes.
yeah?
But you, I think,
Oh,
you
we're going to come and see, yeah? Yeah.
And later on,
Yep.
please come back. I like to see which company you have.
Okay, no
Yes.
problem, okay.
Ah, you have the video.
Cheers, okay, see you later, yeah?
Have a nice day.
Will do, yeah? Yeah, we've done quite a few restaurants around here. And there's one restaurant we've never got to. And he keeps saying to me, pulls me every time I walk past him. And I said, yeah, we'll definitely try it. But there's not enough days in the week to try them all. Yeah, so his food's quality, quite reasonable prices. This one, traditional Portuguesa, Alentejo. That's a really nice restaurant. Gets very busy at lunch and in the evening. Kitchen with a Beat, that's a little bit more upmarket. A bit more pricey than the other ones, but the food in there is excellent. Well, the square's quite busy. Got the Tic Tac bar. Shops to buy all your sports gear. Your Ronaldo t-shirts, there's some in the background there. C7. Got Sir Harry's, quite busy. It's always busy, this place, actually. Got the Vertigo bar. Well, I didn't think there'd be this many people, actually. Other place I've visited just lately have been dead. But Albufeira, pretty much all year round. You okay? Yeah, it's busy all year round, even Christmas and New Year. Got Buddy's Steakhouse. Bravo, not been in that one. Steak and pasta. Got the Bank Steakhouse. Never been in there either. Pampers Steakhouse. It is only 5 o'clock, guys, so it's a little bit early for dinner. But the next hour they'll start coming out. Got the Indian Grill Bar here and the Mexican Steakhouse. You okay?
Yes.
Got a restaurant, tapas bar, Olympic. And one of our favourite restaurants is just down this side street. You got the Three Harps English pub here. Here we go. And then one of our favourite restaurants, you okay, mate? Is the Bistro. Yeah, I'm fine, thanks. You? Yeah, it's a little bit hidden, but don't be put off by the little back streets. The food in here is absolutely gorgeous. Check our channel out, guys, for the Bistro. If you fancy trying it, have a watch of our video and make your mind up for yourself. Oh. Sherry's Bar, the Viking Bar, and the best Italian restaurant in the Albufeira area is Il Brigante, okay? Okay, Christina, you okay? You okay? How are you doing? This is the owner, the chef, makes amazing Italian food. And she's Italian, yeah? So there's not many authentic Italian restaurants in Albufeira. This is one of them. Check it out, guys, Il Brigante. It's okay. So the steaks in there are fantastic, all the pasta dishes are brilliant, and all the fish dishes are fantastic. So, cut around the back here. Now, Sue's actually in one of these bars, waiting for me to finish my walking tour. It's that one there, I'll just peek in. She'll probably go mad, but what the hell, yeah? There she is in the corner there. She said she's not going to come walking with me. She's going to sit and have a rosé sangria while I'm out grafting. All right, for some minute. Yeah, really surprised how busy it is. I'm going to cut down the side here. Well, I'll show you some more really nice restaurants. To be fair, I haven't had a bad meal in Albufeira in all the restaurants I've done. And I've still yet to do many more. So guys, if you can recommend anything that we haven't done already, drop a message in the comments below. There's another Italian restaurant up there. Nice Italian restaurant, I should say, Riccardo's. Absolute stunning views from that 4th floor. Just a Torre Romana. I've not yet managed to get in there. We've got Tequila Loco, Mexican restaurant. I've not been in this one, but I've been in the other one down the road, which I'll show you in one sec. Tasca de Vegas, I've not been in there. Oh, it's okay, no problem. Yeah, I'm fine, yeah, no problem. I didn't kick the sign down, the wind blew. So right next to Pescadores Beach, you've got a line of restaurants, all very good quality, all reasonable prices. And there's live music here, so I'm just gonna have to chop it for a sec. Guys, I just had to cut because it was copyright music in the background there. You won't be able to hear us now. Yeah, so all these restaurants are really busy, even though we are in between lunch and dinner. And I think there's some, oh, they are setting up a stage here at the far end of Pescadores Beach, setting up a stage, and I've never been